So my question is, which means of transportation usually has the lowest carbon footprint? Well, based on our investigation that details about gas engines, electric engines, hybrid engines, and scooters, as well as bicycles, we can determine that bicycles are usually the ones that use the lowest energy and thus have the lowest carbon footprint. Mainly because, well, first of all the other means of transportation use engines that operate requiring a type of energy apart from the kinetic energy generated from your legs. That is the bicycle's means of power generation. This means that, of course, the energy used for these other vehicles will be much higher, and the consumption will, of course, result in much higher emissions as well. So a bicycle is a really simple means of transportation. It's basically just pedaling, moving the gears, and the gears will move the wheels. But this is all generated from your body, so any energy that you use is actually just calories, and they are very, very, very fewer calories consumed in a bicycle than, for example, in a gasoline car. An advantage of this is that, of course, well, you don't have to invest in fuels, you don't have to charge anything, you just have to ride the bike and, go anywhere you want. Of course, the disadvantage of this is that it has a great range, but it all depends on your physical capacity. All energy expended comes from your body, so of course you'll get tired eventually, you'll get hungry, and well, since it is a two-wheel transportation method, it of course is a little bit more dangerous or unpredictable if you go on a crowded street or avenue. So tread carefully when you ride a bicycle. The carbon emissions, well, of course, they are measured in carbon dioxide per hour or per energy consumed. For example, in the gasoline car, it is per liters consumed. Yeah. Well, sorry about that. For a bicycle, well, apart from the main frame and the gears, all the energy expended could be results, in heat energy. It is a very efficient mode of transportation, and when you use gravity or inertia to move yourself, the energy expended is even less than if you were just pedaling continuously. Me personally, a bike is a really convenient transportation method if you live nearby to where you want to go. However, of course, in longer ranges or when you talk about going throughout many avenues or crowded places with a lot of cars, it is not as reliable or convenient. But it comes down to personal preference. I know a lot of friends who ride bikes recreationally, and they easily can put in 15 kilometers in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So it is doable. It is tiring, but it is doable. And in terms of eco-friendliness, the bicycle is, well, naturally the best one. It emits the least CO2 to the atmosphere. It is very cheap to just buy a bicycle compared to a car, for example, or even a scooter. It is easy to use. Well, it can be fun too. That's it. Thank you.